Good morning everyone. My name is Vidyan and I am from ECC section. My roll number is 20BQ 18044. Today I am going to say about acid theory of corrosion. Before going to the topic of acid theory of corrosion, let us see the basic definition of corrosion. Corrosion is defined as it is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemically stable oxide from which such as oxide, hydrate, carbonate or sulfide. Mainly on iron goes oxidation, which means corrosion. Corrosion is also defined as oxidation. Chemical formula of rust is Fe2O3.3H2O. Corrosion is also defined as spontaneous destructive oxidation of metals when metals are exposed with the atmospheric elements. This phenomena is also known as corrosion. Let us come to the concept of acid theory of corrosion. This theory mainly suggests that metals are rapidly corroded in the presence of environment. According to this theory, iron is corroded by atmospheric CO2, moisture and oxygen. The corrosion products are the mixture of FeHCO3 twice, FeOHCO3 and FeOH twice. This theory is supported by the analysis of rust that gives the test for CO2 ion. Okay, in order to understand the concept of acid theory of corrosion, let us consider a general example. Suppose if we see the street light which is outside your house, the pole of the street light is buried into the soil, but nearly 1/4 of the pole, 1/4 part of the pole is under the soil and the remaining part is above the soil. If we consider that the part which is under the soil acts as anode, the part which is above the soil acts as cathode. Because we consider the factor surface area, we know that the substance which is having lesser surface area will tends to act as anode, and the object which is having more surface area will tend to act as cathode. In the same way here, the part which is under the soil having lesser surface area will tends to act as anode, and the part which is above the soil will tends to act as cathode. Soil consists of many salts like calcium chloride, calcium sulfide, calcium nitrate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate and magnesium nitrate. These salts undergoes reaction with the moisture which results in formation of respective oxides and the formation of mineral acids. Suppose if we consider iron, this iron undergoes reaction with this hydrochloric acid which undergoes results in formation of ferric chloride and the hydrogen gas is released. This ferric chloride will react with the moisture which is present in the soil, which results in formation of ferric hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide and the mineral acids produced. This ferrous hydroxide undergoes reaction with dissolved oxygen which is H2O plus 1/2 of O2, which results in corrosion. This gives the product of ferric hydroxide, and this can be written as Fe2O3.3H2O, which is chemical formula of rust. This way, the pole which is under the soil which acts as anodes undergoes oxidation which results in rust. This is the main phenomena under the theory of acid theory of corrosion. Thank you.